Hello everyone, it's me again, and this is Operating System 2 with Giovanni de Jesus. My name is Nelson Robles, and we're going to be doing an installing and configuring the DNS servers in Microsoft Windows Server 2016. So all I have to do is exercise 11.1, right? What we need to do first, we need to open the server manager, which is the part we're at right now. And we're going to be doing this that we have done before. We're just going to add roles and features. And once we come into that, it's going to ask us, like, what do you want to do? What do you want to do? All right. So we go into role based, right? We keep going forward. And yeah, we want to do this in there. And now when we get to the server roles, is the part in which we're gonna select the DNS server, right? So we just go down here and we see DNS server was selected. It says, oh, this is just gonna add these features too. And okay, so we're just gonna add the features. The evaluation results problem, the server which one install feature, click continue. It says not static IP addresses were found on this computer. If the IP address change, clients may not be able to connect to the server. Please configure IP address and configure before installing the DNS server. So this is what we're gonna do first, right? I am not connected to anything, so I'll manage my installation and I'll go in settings and then change this because I think I made it into another net. I'll probably create another net for this just so it does not create a problem with that. So I'm just gonna come into we're gonna see that later down the road. We're gonna do it just right now. All right, so we come into edit, and then we have BNM BNE, I think it is. Yeah. Okay, so while in here we have to change settings. So you have to be an administrator for that. And now we're just gonna add a network, right? We're gonna pick it. Have 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we'll make it the last one, just so it's easy to just fucking go right at. Easy. All right, so we go into it, and this is my subnet IP, which is a Type C subnet with 152. We're gonna make this simpler, because I just want to make it. I want to make it simpler, right? And this is my mask. So I'm not gonna use the HTTP server for this. However, I think I need to see my settings so I see where the gateway is at. Something a BBMNet cancel. I have no idea where my gateway is at. It's usually at 2. Oh my god. Okay, but we're gonna make it host only. We can only have one NAT in it, so we're gonna make it host only and hope that it works. And we're gonna click apply. I don't want to use the other one because if I make it, like, if I do that, it's probably just gonna mess up everything. But it's host only, it's not gonna go to the internet anyways. Anyways, we're just gonna do the installation, right? So we create this as a Type C one. Click on OK. Okay, now that we're in here, we need to make this computer be connected to that. And we're there right now. Let's see, we selected the last one, so it's a custom, and it's the last one. We click on OK, and then we're gonna come in here. There's no internet connection, I know, so I'm gonna open the networking connection settings, and then from there I'm gonna just coming into here, set it up. I click on properties, and this is gonna send me to this then, and then I'm gonna click on this one. I click on properties, and here I have my connection. So you use a static AP, which static AP 19. It's not 192.168.1. This is 0. This is 255, which put by default. And this one does not have a gateway because it's not a NAT one. So I'm just gonna leave as is for now. Can I make it? Can I make it something? I'm just gonna leave it as is. I don't really care about none of that. 192.168 1. Oh, because I need to put my IP address. So I'm gonna put this one. I'm gonna make it 3. Click on OK. There you go. That was not my ID. That was my IP. Okay, so I'm gonna click on closing here. I'm gonna click on closing here. There you go. So I'm connected with a static IP for this adapter. Click on add set, and then we're gonna click on add feature. What do you mean? Open network. Properties. It is in there. I don't know why it's not getting it, but we're just going to continue anyways. Click on add. Next. Now we're going to the DNS configuration settings server screen. So we're going to click on next for this one. And it says it gives you a bunch of information. Click on that. And then we're just going to restart this automatically. Yes. So that this restarts. So when this finishes, then this is going to restart this server and it's going to install it. So this is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to see you in the next one.